Business idea number jewelry business, jewelry online. If you want to start a jewelry business, selling jewelry online is one of the easiest ways to get started. You can sell trendy earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, and other fashion accessories that people love to buy every day. Most jewelry pieces cost around $2 to $8 wholesale and can sell for $10 to $30 plus each. Start by posting your products on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, or your own online store, and reach customers across your city or even around the world. With just 20 to 30 orders a day, you could generate $200 to $600 plus in daily sales. As your business grows, launch your own jewelry brand, create premium custom packaging, and build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back. People may forget your prices, but they'll always remember your quality. When you offer a great product, happy customers come back, and even better, they tell their friends and family. One satisfied customer can bring you many more through word of mouth. That's why quality is one of the best investments you can make in your business. Focus on creating products people love, and your customers will become your best marketing team. Healthy meal prep is a seriously profitable business idea. Think high-protein meals, diet bowls, fresh salads, and calorie-counted food. A lot of busy professionals, office workers, and gym people don't have time to cook, so they're willing to pay for healthy meals. You can make one meal for around $5 to $8 and sell it for $12 to $20, depending on the ingredients and meal plan. That means you could make around $7 to $12 profit per meal. Start from home, offer daily, weekly, or monthly meal plans, and target offices, gyms, and busy professionals. Sell through Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and use customer reviews to build trust. Sell just 20 meals a day with $8 profit each. That's $160 profit a day. With great taste, clean packaging, and on-time delivery, this can turn into a serious long-term business. A perfume business can be a pretty sweet business to start. Start with a few popular fragrances, buy quality perfumes from a trusted supplier, and create clean, luxury-looking packaging. You can start small from home and sell online through TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And here's the best part. People love trying new scents and buying perfumes again and again. With good quality, attractive packaging, and the right marketing, you can turn a small perfume business into a serious money-making brand. If you want to start an online business, selling educational toys is one of the smartest opportunities. Parents in the USA are becoming more focused on their children's learning and development, so they're willing to spend more on toys that are both fun and educational. Instead of selling ordinary toys like remote control cars or basic plastic toys, focus on STEM learning kits, Montessori toys, wooden puzzles, magnetic tiles, building blocks, sensory toys, science kits, coding toys, flashcards, and creative learning activities. Most quality educational toys cost around $10 to $40 wholesale and can sell for $30 to $100 plus in the USA. Premium Montessori learning sets and STEM science kits can even sell for $150 to $250 plus, depending on the brand, size, and features. If your product is high quality, customers love it, and you reach the right target audience, this business can be incredibly profitable. Start by selling on Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or your own online store. Create short videos showing how children learn while playing. This type of content builds trust with parents and helps increase sales. With just 10 to 20 orders a day, you could generate $300 to $2,000 plus in daily sales. As your business grows, launch your own educational toy brand, create premium packaging, and expand your product line for different age groups. Hair oil business. A hair oil business can be a great opportunity. People are always looking for solutions for dry hair, frizz, and hair care. You can create your own oil blends using ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, amla, mustard oil, and herbal ingredients. Start with one signature hair oil instead of launching too many products. Focus on quality, a clean formula, and attractive packaging. Add your own brand name, logo, and premium bottles to make your product look professional. Then promote it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Create satisfying videos of the oil making and packaging process. Share customer reviews and build trust with your audience. As your orders grow, add hair serums, hair masks, and more hair care products. One simple hair oil, and you could build your own beauty brand from home. Like this video and bang subscribe for more money-making business ideas. Business idea number frozen food business. If you want to start an online food business, selling frozen food is one of the smartest ideas. Busy families, students, and working professionals across the USA buy frozen meals every day because they're quick, convenient, and easy to prepare. You can sell frozen dumplings, chicken wings, burgers, fries, pizzas, ready-to-cook meals, and other frozen snacks. Many frozen food products cost around $3 to $8 wholesale and can sell for $8 to $18 plus each, depending on the product and package size. Start by selling through your own website, Instagram, TikTok Shop, Facebook Marketplace, or local delivery services. As demand grows, you can also supply grocery stores, cafes, and restaurants. With just 30 to 50 orders a day, you could generate $240 to $900 plus in daily sales. As your business grows, launch your own frozen food brand, create premium packaging, and build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for convenient, delicious meals. Today, beauty products are sold online every single day, and the beauty industry is worth billions of dollars. The best part? You don't need a beauty store or thousands of dollars to get started. Here's a simple 3-step plan to launch your own online beauty business. Step 1. Start with just 5 to 10 best-selling products like lip gloss, face serum, sunscreen, moisturizer, mascara, lip oil, face cleanser, setting spray, blush, and lip liner. Buy small quantities from a trusted wholesale supplier so you can test the market without taking a big risk. In most cases, you can start with just $100 to $150. You don't need to launch with dozens of products. Start with just one product and focus on making it the best it can be. Quality should always come before quantity. When customers love your product, they'll come back and recommend it to others. As your orders grow, you can gradually add more products to your collection. Remember, it's better to sell one high-quality product than many average ones. Never compromise on quality. It's what builds trust and turns first-time buyers into loyal customers.
Business idea: luxury packaging business. Luxury packaging is a high-demand business because beauty brands, skincare companies, candle makers, and small businesses are always looking for premium packaging to make their products stand out. You can source luxury glass jars, pump bottles, dropper bottles, cosmetic containers, and premium packaging from wholesale suppliers for around $1 to $5 per piece, depending on the size and design. In the USA, these same packaging products often sell for $5 to $20 plus each, while premium custom packaging sets can sell for $30 to $100 plus. Start by selling online through Instagram, TikTok, Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. Offer custom logo printing, labels, gift boxes, and bulk orders for small businesses that want to launch their own beauty or skincare brands. With just 20 to 30 orders a day, you could generate $300 to $1,000 plus in daily sales. As your business grows, build your own packaging brand, expand into custom manufacturing, and become a trusted supplier for beauty, skincare, candle, and wellness businesses.
What if I told you there's a business with customers every single day? It's a product used in homes, restaurants, cafes, and kitchens everywhere. The best part is that you can start small and grow at your own pace. In this video, I'll show you how this simple business can become a great source of income. Let's get started. Spice business idea. Turmeric, chili powder, coriander, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and garam masala. These aren't just kitchen essentials. They're a profitable business. Spices are used every single day in homes and restaurants, making this a high-demand business. Start by sourcing quality raw spices, then clean, dry, grind, and pack them in attractive branded packaging. You can begin with a small setup and a basic grinding machine, then grow as your orders increase. Today, we're talking about a business that's needed in every home, every kitchen, every restaurant, and on every dining table. The best part? You can start this business with a very small budget or scale it into a much larger operation if you have more to invest. No matter your budget, there's an opportunity for you. So, kitchen gadgets are a seriously solid business idea because every home needs them. Think food choppers, peelers, storage containers, measuring tools, and other handy kitchen essentials. You can buy them in bulk for around $2 to $8 and sell them for $10 to $25. That means you could make around $5 to $15 profit per product. Start with just a few best-selling gadgets, sell them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or your own online store. And here's the best part. People are always looking for products that make cooking easier. With good quality and smart marketing, this can turn into a serious long-term business.